How to make $900 a day copy pasting ads online. What's going on? My name's Garrett, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how not just myself, but people from around the world have been using this step-by-step program to literally copy paste their way to $900 a day. Now, I'm going to share with you some results real quick so you can actually see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, now you can see on the screen right here that this is my Stripe account. So inside of this process, you can actually choose how you want to collect your payments. If you want to get paid through Cash App, PayPal, I use Stripe, and you can see my name right here, Garrett. Okay, now if I go ahead and scroll here, you're going to see that these commissions are coming in on a daily basis. Now, the amazing thing about this specific program is when you make a commission, you get paid instantly and you keep 100% profit. Okay, so you can see right here, I can just keep scrolling. Most of these are 900. You will see a few 100 and 600. There's 4 different levels inside of this program when you copy paste your way to commissions, but the $900 level is the most popular. Now, if I go inside the community, I just want to share with you a couple results of other people. So you can see, it's not just me getting results. You can see Jenna right here, 1 hour ago, first $900 sale. She said, I could scream from the rooftops with excitement. You can see Crystal right here a day ago posted that she's made $100,000 in just 7.5 months. So what would it feel like if you could literally learn a copy paste process that, by the way, takes no more than 2 hours a day and generate $100,000 in even a year? I mean, what would you feel on the inside if that happened? Maybe just a few more. First sale, when that first $900 ding comes, okay? And, upgrade, Saturday ding, another $900 sale from TikTok, okay? So now that you see the proof, what I want to get into is exactly how this works. Now, before I dive into the very simple 3-step process, there will be a link directly below in the description. So at any point you actually want more information as far as how exactly you can get started and even more results, just go to the link below and you can check out much more information. But these are the 3 simple steps to daily pay. Okay, it's incredibly simple, and we just have 3 steps. Okay, so number 1 right here is we're going to need to attract our perfect customers and send them our link. Okay, so the beautiful thing about this process is all we have to do is copy paste ads or post content online. Now, this takes only about 2 hours a day. Okay, once you get this good, it may even take you an hour. But one thing you want to keep in mind is we're not bothering anyone. You're not going to have to bother your friends and family. You're not going to have to spam anybody. You're not going to have conversations or get on the phone. This is copy paste, and you will actually start to attract people to you that are interested in purchasing these products from you so you can start to make this 100% profit. Now, you can see right here the 2 main ways that we recommend with this specific process that works the best is number 1, posting ads on high traffic websites. Okay, so these are websites that will actually give you a list of, okay, you can actually see inside of the program how to post free ads. We actually have 4 different video trainings on exactly how to create ads. We also have the free ad sites. We will actually give you 200 different ad sites you can go to post free advertisements to start to generate interest, start to generate leads. Okay, we even have tips right here. And what's going to happen is you're going to go on those sites, post those ads, those advertisements, and then interested people are going to respond. So they may ask you for more information. They may ask you, to check out more details. That's the first thing. Now, the second way is you can actually post pieces of content. Okay, so you can go to Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, and we're going to actually start posting on there. And again, the whole thing is to generate interest. Okay, typically this is going to be in the form of a comment. So if you post on TikTok, you're going to want people to comment on your video asking you for more information. Now, if you post on Facebook, you can say inside of the post for people to comment for more information. In fact, I want to share with you an example of what I did that actually led to a couple $900 sales. You can see right here that on Facebook, I posted this right here. Okay, this is an example of a piece of content or like an ad. And I said, no way. I was paid, $2,700 instantly by copy pasting ads. Comment me for info. And you can see right here, I had 170 comments, okay? And all these people are commenting, asking me for more information, okay? So like I said, this is the very first step of this incredible process. You can see me, okay? So people are responding to these ads and these posts, And if you want to learn how to post on things like that, we also have training right here. Okay, so if I go back here, you can see we have YouTube training, Pinterest, Reels. Okay, so you'll actually be able to access this training and start to go through it. And whatever social media platform you want to post on, you can actually do that. So if you prefer Instagram, we have Instagram training right here. If you prefer TikTok, we have TikTok training. So you really want to focus on whatever platform you enjoy and then just stick to about 1 or 2 hours a day posting consistently, generating those comments. And now here's where the second step comes in. What's going to happen is when you post, you're going to start to attract your perfect customers to you. Okay. They're going to ask you for information. And when they do, you're going to send them your link. So what I did was I opened up these people's profiles. Okay. And all I did was I went to their profile and I messaged them the link. Now, what link are we using? Okay. Now, what you're going to love is the fact that this is actually automated. The only part you're going to have to do is this. Okay. Step one, that's all you're going to do is post, copy paste ads to make $900 commissions and post on social media. Now, when you send your link, what the link is it's an automated system that follows up and will convert your leads into sales. And I know that probably sounds crazy to a lot of people. It was crazy to me thinking I had to trade my time for money when I used to work as a waiter, stuck at a job. But this is automated. So what happens is when people go to this system, they'll put their email in, and then the system will start following up with them through emails, getting them back to this page right here. We call it a sales page. And that job of the page is to sell someone on buying this product. And when they buy through your specific link, you get tracked as making that sale and you'll get paid at one of the 4 levels. Whichever level that person joins, that's what you get paid instantly. Now, what we're selling, the products that we're actually selling is digital marketing educational products. Okay, so these are training, these are different, coaching calls, things like that. It's basically training on how to master digital marketing. And when someone buys, again, the step number 3 is you'll receive instant 100% profit. Whatever level they join, that will go into whatever payment method you want to use, whether it's Stripe, PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Payoneer, and then you transfer that money from Stripe, PayPal, etc., into your bank account. Okay, and that's how you actually can get money into your bank account very, very simply. So these are the 3 steps to daily pay. Again, we're going to be attracting our perfect customers by posting ads and content. We will give you done for you templates. We will give you step-by-step training, live and recorded training on how to do that. So don't worry. And then step number 2 and 3, once you set it up, which takes about a few hours to set up the system, adding your payment method, all you're going to have to do is send people to it. And then step 2 and 3 will be done for you. Okay. You'll start having, these commissions coming in just like all these people. Okay. You can see right here, $100 sale while laying in bed. The reason these people are making these sales, okay, $14,000 in 71 days, 2,700 today. The reason these people are making these sales on autopilot is because of the system. So I really had to share this with you. If you have any questions, the best way to reach me is go to the link directly below, put your best email into my website, and you'll receive a free video walking you through much more information on this exact program, how it works, as well as more results, and even how to get started and succeed and profit within your first 7 days. And you'll also be able to just reply to one of the emails that I send you with any question you may have. And I'd love to answer your questions so you can feel safe and comfortable when you make that decision to join. So I really appreciate you watching, my friend. Be sure you subscribe. I'm going to be posting more results and more tips on how I'm actually making $900 or more per day with this program. And I really hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.